The best way for digital marketing strategy. It starts with the date and end with the date. So make sure you have a start date and end date when you're focusing on your strategy. Starting of the month. What is your focus is all about? Where did you fail last month? Re-strategize and re-optimize your content. If you're focusing on SMO, how many pages I have, how many contents that I have, am I posting it regularly? Am I trying to engage with my audience over there? If not, please do it. And how many posts that I'm going to post on each single platforms: Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Quora. Make sure your message is loud enough to reach out to the people. Let them not forget your brand. The second one is research. Research starts from your competitor analysis and also do a proper research what is trending up on your business based on the latest trends. Plan it. After doing the research, you'll be having a certain data with you where you can plan your marketing campaigns like going organic or paid. Execution. This is the main part where most of the business people, most of the digital marketers fail. So make sure you execute it within the time span. At last, you got to evaluate what has happened for you on your previous campaigns, previous month, and the performance of your SEO. Check how many backlinks that you have created. Check how many posts that you have created. Check the lead generation campaign. What was the budget and what is the return on investment, return on ad spend. Evaluate. Evaluation is the best part where we can re-optimize our channels accordingly in the further coming months. Research. Spy your competitor. Very important. First thing, we have to identify who is the nearest competitor. Examine your competitor's website and customer experience. Identify your competitor's marketing position. What is the position that is on Google? What is the position that is doing? How frequently is campaigning on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube? Take a peek at pricing and problem solving for the shipping. Take a temperature check with the reviews. Review social media. Review your ORM, online reputation management. On the whole, you have to focus on your competitor and you have to always do the versus part. Weekly calendar. Starting month, you have to plan your entire month on weekly basis. First week, I'll be focusing on Google Ads. Second week, I'll be focusing on Bing Ads. Third week, I'll be focusing on SEO. Fourth week, I'm focusing on social media campaigns. So it should be on a day-to-day regular basis. If you're talking about SEO, how many links that you're having, how many new general content that you're creating for your website. Imagine from the customer perspective what your customer is expecting from you. Give that and you'll be king in the digital marketing field. When you talk about digital marketing strategy, your business will be the king. Types of promotion. Are you focusing on organic or paid? You can focus on SMO, SMM, video, SEO. Video is the topmost expected from audience because rather than 1500 words, one single video of 15 seconds or 30 seconds could attract more number of viewers. Make sure your content is relevant. Make use of proper tools to animate and tell what you are trying to convey to your audience. Branding. It starts with your website, your domain name, your logo, the color combination that you're going to use, the navigation and the internal links. Your website is act as the informative catalog for the audience from any part of the world. Make sure it is more attractive and reaches to more number of people. So website, logo, domain name, tagline, and your website structure. Whenever you're focusing on your quotation, whenever you're focusing and sending the quotation to your customer, please try to send it via your official mail ID. Victor at the rate of learndigital.co, and create a digital business card and digital brochure. It's like branding. You are always at the top. Avoid using Gmails, guys. Channels, you can focus on all these channels: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Quora, YouTube, Google, SEO, and of course Bing and Bing Places. Try to get good testimonial, positive testimonial. If video is there, it will be having an upper hand. So always try to have a video testimonial on your website and check what is your local directory is talking about. Add Google My Business listing ratings to your business. Please set a deadline for all this and try to engage your audience, which is really important because they are expecting something in return. They have the pain points with them. That is the main reason they are coming to your website. Please make sure you engage them. Grab the free tools and resources that is available across the internet. There are plenty of free tools for you to focus upon. Rather than going for a paid one, use the maximum free tools that is available.